Welcome to Naturevitalife. Do you know what ancient herb was so valued that wars were fought over it? Ginseng, a root that's powered empires and healed millions. Ginseng, often referred to as the king of herbs, has been a revered remedy for thousands of years. This extraordinary root is also a symbol of vitality and longevity. From the bustling markets of ancient China to modern wellness shelves, ginseng's global influence is unparalleled. Whether you're a wellness enthusiast or simply curious about ancient remedies, this deep dive into ginseng will leave you amazed by the power of this incredible root. So, what exactly is ginseng? It's a slow-growing root native to parts of Asia and North America. Known for its distinct forked shape and earthy aroma, this humble root is packed with powerful medicinal properties. In traditional Chinese and Korean medicine, ginseng is used to boost energy, sharpen the mind, and support overall health. Now, not all ginseng is created equal. Each type has unique characteristics and health benefits. Let's break down the three main players: Korean, American, and Siberian ginseng. Korean ginseng, also known as Asian ginseng, is the most well-known variety and is often called true ginseng. The root is typically reddish-brown and can be more forked. It boosts energy and vitality, supports the immune system, improves mental clarity, and reduces stress. American ginseng is native to North America and has been used by Native American tribes for centuries. The root is usually yellowish and can be less forked compared to Korean ginseng. Unlike its Korean cousin, it's known to be more calming, helps the body adapt to stress, and promotes overall balance and wellness. It supports the immune system but is generally less stimulating than Korean ginseng. Siberian ginseng is technically not a true ginseng, but a close relative. It's included in ginseng discussions because of its adaptogenic properties. It contains eleuthericides instead of ginsenosides. This ginseng is all about helping your body weather the storm of stress. It enhances stress resistance, increases endurance and stamina, helps strengthen the immune system. See how these three ginseng types are all different? Korean ginseng is energizing, American ginseng is calming, and Siberian ginseng offers stress resistance and endurance enhancement. Now you can choose the type of ginseng that best fits your needs and lifestyle. Beyond the familiar Korean, American, and Siberian ginseng, there's actually a whole family of Panax ginseng species. But these three dominate the conversation for a reason. Korean and American ginseng have a long history of cultivation and extensive scientific research backing their potential health benefits. Siberian ginseng, though not a true ginseng, is a close relative that's readily available and shows promise in studies. Different processing methods also create unique types of ginseng, with more processing making it more potent. Drying creates calming white ginseng, perfect for daily wellness. Steaming unlocks red ginseng's power, boosting energy and vitality. Black ginseng takes the cake, steamed and dried multiple times for ultimate stress fighting and stamina. Ginseng has numerous health benefits, which include enhancing physical and mental energy, making it a popular supplement for combating fatigue and improving overall stamina, strengthening the immune system, aiding the body in fighting off infections and illnesses more effectively, enhancing memory, focus, and mental clarity. It helps reduce stress and improve mood, making it beneficial for cognitive health. Improving insulin sensitivity and stabilizing blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial when managing diabetes. As an adaptogen, ginseng helps the body cope with stress and promotes overall balance and well-being. Also, it is popular among athletes for its ability to increase endurance, reduce fatigue, and improve physical performance. Furthermore, ginseng helps improve circulation, reduce cholesterol levels, and support overall cardiovascular health. It has anti-inflammatory properties, which is beneficial for various chronic conditions. And it is traditionally used to enhance sexual function and treat sexual dysfunction in both men and women. Modern scientific studies continue to validate the efficacy of ginseng, ensuring that this ancient root remains a powerful ally in promoting health and well-being. The benefits of ginseng are pretty impressive, but before you rush out and grab some, it's important to be aware of possible side effects. Like any supplement, ginseng can have side effects, and individual reactions can vary. Here are some common ones and tips on minimizing them. Common side effects are headaches, upset stomach, and trouble sleeping. Some tips: start with a low dose and gradually increase. Take it with food to avoid stomach upset. Stick to morning intakes to avoid sleep issues. Stay hydrated to help your body process it effectively. All right, so you're eager to try ginseng and experience its potential benefits. But you might be wondering, when will I actually feel something? The onset of ginseng's benefits can vary based on several factors, including the type of ginseng, your metabolism, and the specific health goals you aim to achieve. For some individuals, the energizing and focus-enhancing effects of ginseng can be felt within a few hours of taking a single dose. However, for more significant benefits, like improved immune function or better blood sugar control, it might take several weeks of consistent use to see results. Be patient, as ginseng's full effects often take time to build up. Here's a general guideline to get you started. For general health and wellness, a common dosage ranges from 200 to 400 milligrams of ginseng extract per day. For powdered ginseng root, the typical dose is 1 to 2 grams daily. For capsules and tablets, follow the manufacturer's recommended dosage, often 1 to 2 capsules per day. For tea, 1 to 2 cups of ginseng tea daily, prepared from ginseng root or tea bags. Extracts and tinctures are usually taken in smaller doses, such as 10 to 20 drops, 1 to 2 times a day. Higher doses might be recommended for specific health conditions, but always under medical supervision. Here are some additional tips for getting the most out of your ginseng dosage. Start slow. Begin with the lowest recommended dose and gradually increase it to assess your tolerance and effectiveness. Consistency is key. Take ginseng at the same time each day to maintain stable levels in your bloodstream. Cycle usage. Some experts recommend taking ginseng for a few weeks, followed by a break, to prevent potential tolerance or dependency. Ginseng boasts a long list of potential benefits, but it's crucial to consider how it might interact with medications you're already taking. Ginseng can lower blood sugar levels, which might amplify the effects of diabetes medications, leading to hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. Ginseng may interfere with blood-thinning medications like warfarin, increasing the risk of bleeding or reducing the medication's effectiveness. Ginseng can affect blood pressure, potentially reducing the efficacy of antihypertensive drugs or causing blood pressure to drop too low. Since ginseng can boost energy levels, it might enhance the stimulating effects of caffeine or other stimulant medications, possibly leading to excessive jitteriness or anxiety. There is potential for ginseng to interact with certain antidepressants, especially monoamine oxidase inhibitors, MAOIs, which could lead to side effects such as headaches, tremors, or mania. Here are some factors to consider when choosing ginseng. Opt for high-quality ginseng from a trusted source that prioritizes sustainable harvesting practices. Consider the specific type of ginseng, Korean, American, or Siberian, based on your desired health benefits. Different processing methods, for example, red ginseng versus white ginseng, can influence the ginsenoside content and effects. Look for standardized ginseng extracts that guarantee a specific ginsenoside content for consistent results. The world of ginseng can be fascinating, but it's important to navigate it with a critical eye. Focusing on quality and consulting your doctor is key to maximizing the benefits of ginseng safely. That's it for this deep dive into the world of ginseng. We hope you learned a lot about this legendary root. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative health and wellness content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.